another attempt to try and beat the wires. This time it's Chud 1, the return of Chud 1. I've got the stopper and the fuel cell. Charlie's got the rocket. Are we ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Ah, it's stuck, Jelly, it's stuck. The fuel's leaking. It is.
Come and look.
Hang on.
Time. It's just gonna give them
Wait.
a bit now.
I should have shook it more.
Lovely.
Come on, check it, Mo.
Go.
Oh.
Wait.
No.
Shall I check it?
Yes.
It'll go off in my hands.
Yeah. I want her. I want her. Will it though?
Wait. Should never go back to a firework, should you, Charlie?
Didn't a firework, it's a
Or
rocket.
a rocket.
It's a rocket that hasn't set off and probably never will do.
Hey, put it
Shake
back
it.
up next match. Next home match.
Wait. It's because we haven't got a lot of bicarb either.
I ain't got no back arm, I've got some vinegar.
Shake it.
Shake it.
Shake it.
Shake it.
Gotta go shake it. Shake it.
Scaredy cat.
He shakes it in. He's going on fire.
No. Shake it more.
You're just trying to get me explodiated.
I'm not.
You are.
Shake it more.
I jumped a mile.
Let it go up.